Hi, we're Marley. And this is our first video today. And there's only two of us, when normally there would have been three of us. And today we're going to be taking Three Little Birds Apart. Don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. The melody's sure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds peeping by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, la la la. The melody's sure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.